Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to add dynamics in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments that you can play. You can get started with opening up the audio recorder and so on. So let's go ahead and get started with opening up the recording menu. You can open up any of the instruments, it all works the same. I'm going to open up the audio recorder right here, and as you can see, it's now going to open up this new recording menu where we can get started recording right here at the top of the screen and find all the options that we need and so on. So guys, to be able to add dynamics, what we want to do is go into the mixing mode right here in the upper left corner. Click in the upper left corner on this button. That's going to open up the edit mode right here, where we can find all the tracks that we have regarding this project, and now we can get started with adding the dynamics. And basically guys, the first thing you want to do to get started with adding dynamics is find the track you want to change them for. So as you can see, I have my audio recorder option right here, and what you're going to do is use the options menu. So click on the track, that's going to open up this new menu, and one of the options is going to be called settings. So you want to click on settings. After clicking settings, here you can go ahead and get started with changing the gain, speed, and so on to set up the dynamics that you want to use. But if you want the general dynamics of your track, you'll be able to find them by clicking the sliders option right here. The sliders button, that's going to open up the track settings right here, where you can take a look at the track volume. So you can go ahead and make the track volume whatever you want. You have your treble right here, echo, reverb, all the dynamics option that you need for editing your track. So you can just go ahead and change them to whatever you want and add what you want. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.